Alright guys, huge shout out for 2,000 subscribers. I did do a vote if you guys wanted this video in line with the other ones or a sneak peek video, and you guys chose a sneak peek video for those that did vote. So I'll go car by car, and for now I'll start with the Sentra. The Sentra, if you guys remember in previous videos, I had everything boxed up right here. The motor excuse me. The motor was here. The motor is currently at my friend's. I think as of right now, every video on this car is currently uploaded. So everything's uploaded. The boxes of the turbo stuff are right there, which I recently uploaded. But I am waiting for the motor to come back so that I can start prepping that and getting that inside get that back inside the Sentra. So there are a few things I need to still order for this, but I will save that for another video. As far as the Integra, there is the motor that came out of it. So you guys get a huge sneak peek on this one. So just so you guys know, the motor's pulled. The all-wheel drive transmission is on there. There's a video coming soon of the valve adjustment comparing the front-wheel drive to the all-wheel drive transmission. So that video will be soon. You guys notice I freshly painted it. So yeah, still some stuff I got to do, which I'm going to do that follows right after this video. So huge sneak peek on that. That is the new spare motor. Well, the spare motor that I freshened up. This is the motor that was in there. And yeah, so there goes the Integra. Lots of cool stuff coming on with that. A quick question I do have regarding this. I just sold the header that was on here, the PML header. If you guys know a header that will work with the all-wheel drive transmission and the transfer case, let me know what that is. Also, the one thing I'm noticing is the Integra is not getting much love. So where are my Honda people at? I know you guys are out there. I know there's a bunch of you guys that have subscribed. So I hope to see more support from you guys. But that's all I got for that. I'm about to work on this after this video. And also, I do have stickers. So I will add these to my website tonight. So before this video is uploaded, today is March 20th. And I have the black with the white, the button right there, red. And this is the white lettering with the red play button, gold, and all white. So if you guys want to support me some more, order some stickers if you like. If you order a grounding kit, remember I do sell grounding kits. If you order a grounding kit, I do send a sticker with it. So just leave a little comment of what color you want if you order a grounding kit. Also, that is also in my store link, which is down below in the description box. So that's it with these cars. I only had the question to kind of help me get rolling with that. I just asked that question. Got to get some stuff for this, but it's coming along. I don't want to spoil everything, but that one is definitely coming along. And here goes the Galant. The Galant is back. So in previous videos I was having transmission issues. That is all sorted. That's about as far as I'm going to go with that. I am making some changes this Friday on that car. So that is also coming in future videos. Yeah, I don't want to give away too much. Just know something's coming along for that car. Transmission has been looked through, and I'll cover that in another video coming up. So it shifts good now. And as far as the Evo, I can't get into too much detail because It's one of the things that I don't like talking about. The Evo is totaled. It is in car heaven now. I had the car for 3 weeks. That car was a built motor. It was going to be my 800 horsepower car. But, yeah, it's totaled now. I do have one video of driving it with a friend and me going over some details of the car. That was back in, I think I recorded that in August or September when I first got the car. So I may one day eventually upload that. But as of right now, excuse me, it's kind of sucks not having that car. That was, I said it probably 100 times. I cannot believe I own an Evo. And just like that, I now don't have it. So maybe in a future video, I'll explain what happened. Maybe post some pictures. But as of right now, I'm just back down to my 3 cars, and there's no longer an Evo. So really sucks. I really like that car, and that was definitely my favorite car. And I didn't even have it for very long. So there goes your guys' quick update. Thank you again, 2,000 subscribers. If you guys want a sticker, please order. Like, subscribe, share the video. The Sentra built motor turbo is coming along. It will be done soon. All-wheel drive Integra. I'm running into that header issue, and I just sold the PML header, so I don't know what I'm going to do right now. I just know I want to get it back into the motor and start getting everything put back together. And then I gotta figure out what the heck I'm gonna do, because I do want to all-wheel drive it soon. I do want to turbo it, but I need it back on the road because the weather's getting hot and I need my AC back. And this is the car with AC. The Galant does not currently have AC, but the Galant is getting some mods coming up. And yeah, that's about it. And I think I did say the dates already, and today is March 20th. So like I said, guys, like, subscribe, share the video. If you guys want to support me, stickers, order a grounding kit. Stickers come free with the grounding kits. I have several chassis available. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for 2,000 subs. The next subscriber update that we'll do will be 2,500. So when we hit there, I'll do another update. And yeah, guys, thank you.